Everybody, looks like we're going to be checking out the new Ford Hank the Robot. I have no idea what this is. We're about to find out together. What's up, Hank? It sure be great if he talks like Hank Hill.
Let's get ready to rumble! Yeah, it's so epic. That is epic. Now what I need everybody to do, I got a lot of empty space up here. Everybody take 3 steps closer to the stage. Get on in here. Get on in. Come on up. Come on up. Hi, in the blue shirt. What's up? I see you. I see you over here. Come on in. Oh, yes, in the white tank top. Come on up. Come on up. Yeah. Oh, you guys, come on to the board. Come to the front. Get on in here. I see you. Yeah. Oh, you're on TV. Oh, yeah. That's awesome. That is so cool. What's up, my tiny humans? What's going on, y'all? No, dude, I like oil or diesel fuel. You know, that's pretty good for me. You know, when I'm hungry, though, I usually go for like a megabyte. But lately, I've been watching my figure, so I get some microchips. Oh, yeah.
Dad jokes. I love it.
Oh yeah, that's the big event.
What's up, my little humans right here in the green shirt? What's your name? No, I'm Hank the Robot, dude. What was your name? Dean? Everybody say, what's up, Dean?
What's up, Dean?
Dean, that's awesome. Are you having a good day at the auto show today, Dean? What is the coolest thing you've seen at the auto show so far? The talking robot. There's only one right answer, Dean. The Ford Explorer. That's what I'm talking about, Dean. I like the Explorer a lot too, actually, man. You guys see that Explorer right there? Oh, yeah. Man, with the white t-shirt. Do you see that Explorer right there? Yeah, you want to model it up? Check it out, everybody. Check out that Ford Explorer. It is awesome. That is great. All right, everybody. What's up? What's up? What's up? That's a piece of paper. That's a map, dude. What's your name, buddy? I like your glasses. We got like matching glasses. We got nice drip, dude. That is pretty cool. All right, everybody. How we doing? Right here in the orange dress. Hey, my little tiny short circuits up here. You can't just keep yelling. You can't keep yelling or else I can't talk to everybody, okay? We're going to do some really fun stuff, but you can't just keep yelling in my ears, all right? All right, everybody. Right here in the yellow, or that orange dress. What's your name, ma'am?
That's Hank the Robot.
Jan?
I don't think he's a real robot. That's pretty fun. So anyway, let me know what you think down below. That's Hank, the Ford Robot. Fun show here at the OC Auto Show 2024. All right, my friends, I'm going to check out some more cars. Until next time, stay driven.